Hi everyone. I'm starting this series whereby I share some clips of the Zoom recordings I had with my online students. I thought this would be helpful for those who are looking for teachers or maybe just a simple answer to your questions. Hopefully, I get to cover them throughout this content. And also, this should answer your question, like, because sometimes, why would I hire a teacher when I can search everything online on YouTube? Like, sometimes you can search, well, yeah, I know a lot of things, but there are times when you just wanted information or answers specific to your needs. And also, in this case that I will show in the video, um, it's not always being covered in the videos about this topic. Like sometimes you waste your time, like, why isn't this working, or why I couldn't go back or something. So this is what I will discuss. I will do a voiceover on the video after this, so to explain. Anyway, if you have any questions regarding Photoshop, Illustrator, fashion illustration, comment down below and I'll try to answer them in my next videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Okay, in this photo, I applied a filter stylized oil paint, and I did this, okay, and I changed the settings and see the changes. Okay, by the way, this is my layer 1. I copied the original photo, Command J or Control J, if you don't know. And so I made these changes. Going here, click OK, and see, now it looks like this, okay? Now, the problem, yeah, see the changes, okay? Now, what if your client, or I don't know, your fashion teacher said, oh, can you make it less wavy like this? Can you do some changes back? And the only way you could do that is if you press Command Z, or you go to Window where am I going? Window History, okay? And you go back that. But luckily, if that's the only thing you did, but as you know, most of the time we do several things at the same time, so we can't go back. But there's another solution, and that solution is, before you do any changes, you go to filter, convert for smart filter, click OK, and that would put an icon on this thing, see, on the layer 1, and that means when you apply a filter next, okay, let's try to apply a filter, stylize oil paint again, okay. My God, I'm really not creative, huh? I did the same thing, okay, and see, these are the changes. This is the original photo. These are the changes that I wanted. Click OK. And then see now, okay, so now here I have this, and you can see this if you turn it off, the eye, okay. And if I go to this small thingy, I can go back and change a lot of things, opacity and all this. And you know, I can even apply some masking effects and change the transparency and all these things. So there's a lot of things I can redo, and that's it. Click OK. So this one, okay, it's quite helpful.